You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names and French names in particular that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? In France it is said as Isabelle Adjani, Isabelle Adjani. In English you could say it as Isabelle Adjani, Isabelle Adjani. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.